Kevin, I bet you so small in the snow now. You stop my ear. Kevin, man, small for this. Where for the console? Jesus Christ! It's not even easy yourself. No. This guy can't think of this one. Jesus Christ! I swear, if I hear any sound, again, no,
What?
I can't take this anymore. Kevin,
What?
don't.
Jesus
again now, so I don't like
Did they warn you? You hear the snow and they hear your voice for Emeka Street. I don't go outside, go stay for my book. I tell you, you know, the snow don't read my book. You hear the snow and they ask me questions, they mad.
Oh, if you don't wake me now, snow they give me joy.
Jesus.
Snow they give you joy. Hey, you know what? So I don't know, so me and Pig night day house. Okay. Kevin, what you go do now? You go pack your things, you go sleep for outside.
You know they good now, they sleep outside.
I don't finish. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like the video, you have to like, share, and comment. And don't forget, don't forget. You have to hit that red button. Hit and finish, and you mark that there to get our notification. And if you post on that video, you will see her. You understand? So I love you all. See you on the next video.